Welcome back to our second session, everyone. Okay, what do you have for the second session? Good. The second session we have Grammar Planet 3, right? Okay, and yesterday you finished the lesson on page 21, right? And we also started the lesson in Unit 4. What is the lesson in Unit 4? Very good. We focus on present continuous. Did you remember the lesson you learned yesterday? Good job. Okay, so now before continuing our lesson, I would like to review the previous lesson first. I will review the form. I will give you more examples to get understanding. Okay, so now let's review the lesson with me. Here, review part, we focus on present continuous in Unit 4, right? Okay, and we have 4 parts, right? We have affirmative, negative, question, and question with what, right? Okay, so now please focus on affirmative with me. Affirmative, you have to use the subject, verb be, and verb ing correctly, right? Example, I use with am, and then you need to plus verb ing. Example, I am teaching, and she, he, it use with is, right? Example, he is teaching. We, you, they, we use with are, right? They are teaching. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, now let's continue to negative. Negative, you just add not after be. It's very easy, right? Okay, here you can look at here. She is the subject. Is, be, not. Yeah, you just add not after be. And then you plus verb ing, right? Working. You see work and then you add ing, working. She is not working. I am not working. They are not working. Okay, you get it? You just add not after be. Alright, so now let's continue to question. Question, you just move be to the front. Yeah, just move be to the front before the subject. Here, you can see here, be, subject, they, and then you plus verb ing and g. Are they cooking? Yes, they are. Am I cooking? If in the question are, you answer you, right? No, you aren't, right? Okay. Is she cooking? Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't. Okay, and one more. It is the last part of our lesson. It is about question with what, right? Did you remember yesterday? This is the last part of our lesson, right? Okay. Question with what? So what plus be plus subject plus verb ing. What is he doing? He is swimming. What is he doing? He is swimming. What am I doing? You are standing, right? Or you can say I am standing. Okay. And what are they doing? They are playing soccer, or they are swimming. Well, so now it comes to the end of our review part. Let's continue to our new lesson. Do you have the Grammar Planet student book near you right now? Good. Yesterday we finished page 21. Today we will continue to page 22. Okay, now open your book all together on page 22. Okay, what do you see on page 22? Very good. In this page, we focus on about language dressing, right? Language dressings. And here we have 2 parts, part C and part D. For part C, look, circle, and march. Look, circle, and march. Okay, so here this one you have to look at the picture and you circle the correct answer, and after that march the number with the letter or the picture. Alright, so number 1 is given as an example, right? Okay, you can see here what are they do or what are they doing? What are they doing, right? You see here the form. What plus be plus subject plus verb in and G. So this one, you say, what are they doing? You cannot say what are they do, okay? You just say what are they doing? Get it? Okay, how about this? They are one more, they are looking in the house. They are look or they are looking? You can look at the form here. Subject plus be plus verb ing, right? Okay, so you cannot say they are look, but you can say they are looking, right? Okay, they are looking in the house. March to letter, what letter? Letter B, right? You see, march to letter B. Okay, so you can write here letter B. March to letter B. Okay, so now we have number 2, number 3, and number 4. Let me read for you, and after that I will have a minute for you to do it. Okay. What are or is she doing? Okay, what are or is she doing? Okay, you can choose one, okay? Are or is. She are or she is sleeping. Okay, you can choose one. 3. He is or he isn't eating lunch. He is throws or throwing a ball. 4. What does or is he wearing? He are or is wearing a red hat. Okay, so now after reading this, maybe you can understand or you can choose the correct answer already, right? Okay, and you have to choose one of them. There are 2, right? Are or is, but you choose only one. Circle only one. Okay, so now I have a minute for you to complete this. You can do it now. Finish? Good. Okay, so now let's check your answer with me. What are or is she doing? Okay, you want to choose the correct answer, you look at the subject. The subject is she, right? So she use with is or you with are? You with are or you with is? Okay, very good. She use with is, right? So you circle is. What is she doing? You use is because the subject is she, right? Okay, how about this one? She are or she is? That goes without saying. It must be is, right? Why you choose is? Because the subject is she. So she used with is. What is she doing? She is sleeping. Okay, now let's continue to number 3. He is or he isn't eating lunch. Okay, you want to choose the correct answer. Both are correct, right? Yeah, but correct answer to the context, to the meaning here. Okay, so you can look at the sentence first. He throws or he is throwing a ball. He is throws or he is throwing a ball. He is throwing, right? Why you choose throwing? Because in our form, subject plus be plus verb ing, right? We don't put verb with s or es or ie, right? But we put verb with ing. You see? Okay, this is the present continuous form. Okay, now you can choose number 1. He is throwing a ball, so he isn't. Very good. He isn't eating lunch. He is throwing a ball. Yeah. Now you can get all the correct answer, right? Okay, now you can look at this. What does or is he wearing? What does or what is? Is, right? Okay, because in our form, you can look at the form again. What plus be plus subject plus verb ing, right? Okay, so here you can say what is he wearing? He is or he are? He are or he is? He is, right? Why you choose is? Because the subject is he, so you have to choose is. He is wearing a red hat. Okay, so now we finish part C successfully. Let's continue to part D. Okay, you can look at part D all together. D, look and circle. Number 1 is given as an example, right? He isn't sing or he isn't singing a song. He isn't singing. Very good. If you want to be sure, you can look at the form here. You add not after be and after that you add verb ing and g, right? So it's not, or you can say isn't. You can say it's not or you can say it isn't. Okay, you can look at another one. He is or he are playing the guitar. He is or he are? He is. Very good. Why you choose is? Because the subject is he, right? The subject is he, so you have to use is. You cannot use are with he, okay? Okay, so now number 1 is given as an example. Let's go to number 2. They isn't or they aren't playing soccer. They are dancing, yeah, with ing, and one more dancing, no e, right? Just cing. Okay, which one is correct? 3. Is or are the girls smiling? Yes, they is or yes, they are. 4. What is or are the boy doing? He is looks or looking at the llama. Okay, so now you have 30 seconds to complete this exercise. You can do it now. Finish? Very good. Okay, so now you can check your answer with me. Okay, number 2. They isn't or they aren't? They use with aren't. Very good. We use aren't because the subject is they. They use with aren't. We cannot say they isn't, okay? They aren't playing soccer. Okay, how about this? They are dancing, one with ing and one with cing. Which one? Cing, right? Why? Because when you add ing, when the word finish in letter E, consonant plus E, so you have to delete E and then you add in and G. So this one, yeah, you have E is wrong. So you delete E and then you add ing, like this one is correct. Dancing, you see, you delete E already, right? Dancing. Okay, how about number 3? Is or are the girls smiling? You can look at the girls. Yes, you see the word girls. Not only one girl, right? Because the girl with S. So a lot of girls. A lot of girls refer to they. They use with are. Very good. Okay, so here you circle are. Are the girls smiling? Are the girls smiling? Okay. Yes, they is or yes they are. Okay, that goes without saying. It must be are, right? Why? Because the subject is they. So you have to use are. Okay, so now let's go to the last part of our exercise today. What is or are the boy doing? The boy. How many boys? Only one boy, right? So one boy we refer to he, right? Okay. So if we refer to he, so he used with is or are. Very good. He used with is, right? So you say, what is the boy doing? He is looks or he is looking. Subject plus be plus verb and G, so it must be looking, right? Okay, subject plus be plus verb and G, you cannot say plus a verb s or es or ies, okay? He is looking at a llama. Alright, so now we finish our exercise. Our exercises part C and part D successfully. And I hope these exercises can make you understand present continuous very well with affirmative, negative, question and question with what. Okay, so this is the end of our second session. Let's see you the next video. Goodbye class.